how to claim Avacoin in Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can claim Avacoin in your Telegram wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Avacoin app by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on wallet, then tap on connect wallet. After that, select your desired wallet. So I will go for Telegram wallet. Then it will redirect you to the Telegram wallet. Over here, it will ask you to connect your wallet. So just go ahead and click on it, and your wallet will be connected automatically. Now, just go to your Telegram wallet and claim your coin. So that's how you can claim Avacoin in your Telegram wallet. That's all for this video.